I'm going to show you how to do a high-low rig. Most commonly used in the surf, but it works great in lakes as well. We're going to take a cannonball for our example as a weight. You're going to tie whatever knot you'd like with a leader, and you want to be at least, I'd say, 16 inches long. Then you're going to put a 3-way swivel. Okay? This is where your hook is going to come out of. So we already have some hooks tied up with a surgeon loop. We're going to take this, we would run that, tie it whatever way you want, but for this, we'll just put the surgeon loop in. Okay, and we're going to run that hook right back through it. Cinch it down. Okay. And then you're going to, from there, run another leader from that 3-way up, and I'd say at least 2 feet. Have another 3-way. You're going to apply another hook. Again, we already have one done up. Close that down. This part would go to your main line. This is what we call a high-low rig, and it works phenomenal in saltwater especially, or anywhere that you're going to run bait and you're trying to find fish. Great for surf casting, surf fishing. Hope that helps you out.